day, or this when you go to MT4 or your MT5, when you tap on the arrow, these two arrow that you're seeing that is like facing front and down, when you tap it, you see your currency pairs. When you tap on the cross, you see forex group, crypto cross, all these indices, in all those plenty things there. Then when you click on forex group, you will see all your currency pairs that will trade. With Xness, you see that all the currency pairs that will trade are here. So anyone you want to trade, you click on it. When you go to your PDF, you will see the names of all these currency pairs. Then when you want to trade cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and the rest, and these are all the Bitcoins, all the cryptocurrencies that are there. Then we have what we call crypto cross, as a higher base of crypto. You know that we all see crypto in another form. These crypto cross are crypto plus currency pairs. Then we have what we call energies. Energies are like crude oil, natural gas, etc. Some still have more. These are energies. They trade oil to crude oil, natural gas, and the rest. They will have what we call indices. Indices are index from some countries, some from companies too. So we have Nasdaq, they call it US Tech. They have S&P 500, they have Dow Jones, Wall Street. You learn all of them with time, all these things. But for now, we are using Forex Group. We are using Forex Group to learn. So this Forex Group is what you go to your charts and learn. Maybe when you tap on that cross, then you now go back. When you go back, then when you go to your Forex Group, you look for anyone that say, okay, we are always using a Euro USD for our practical. You click on it, you will see it here. Then when you tap on this Euro USD, you will see new order, open chart, symbol properties, simple view mode. This simple view mode is just the way you want to see your chart displays. Symbol properties is the characteristics of the Euro USD, the points and the rest. It doesn't matter, you don't need to start learning this part. So the main part that we need is this new order, where we see market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Then where you place, if your market is going down, you sell. If it's going up, you buy. So we have this 0.01 is what we call lot size. I think I've explained that. And for our learning, this lot size should always be on 0.01. Then we have this red side is what we call our stop loss. Then this part is what we call our take profit in the market. You input it. I've told you that if you're selling, let me go back to the chart. Assuming this market is selling, you know that the market is going down. Okay, if the market is going up, the way it's going up like this now, if the market is going up like this, your stop loss will be below. Then your take profit will be above the price. So what you will do is you will take this cross, go below it, pick a number, this 1.07715. If you want it to be your lot size, depending on how many pips, I've told you I will explain that pips calculation practically. So maybe you want to use you want to say maybe you're trading with $50 and you don't want your stop loss is you want to automatically stop your trade from having more losses. So assuming now that you place the trade at 0.0760, and now you want to place the stop loss of, let's say, 30 pips, what you will do is you put your cursor below, which is 1.0, let me say, 1.0, okay, assuming your stop loss is 1.0770. So maybe your stop loss, when you minus 60 minus, okay, let me put another line, let me say 30 pips, 60 minus 30, so you'll be having 30 pips. So your loss will be like $3 highest, $3 when, depending on the lot size you're using. So I've told you people that your entry point minus wherever your stop loss is gives you how many pips your loss will count. Then you now convert it in dollar. Then you take profit should be your entry point, assuming you enter that 0.7760. Your take profit is above here, 10080. Then what you will do is you minus 2. When you minus 10,000, 10080 minus 1.07760, it will give you how many pips that your take profit will be from. So that is by the way. Then this is how you place the stop loss and the take profit. When you are buying, your stop loss is below. It's below. When you're selling, your stop loss is above. So in selling too, when the market is selling, you know that I told you that market moves, it sells and it buy. When it's selling like this, your stop loss should be above. Your stop loss should be above here. Then your take profit should be below. Your stop loss should be above when you're selling. Your take profit should be below when you're selling. So that's how to get that when you press new order. This is how to get this stop loss and take profit. Then you write it down on a sheet of paper, come and input it here. Then you now sell or buy. Then there's no money here, so you now sell or buy. Then you now set it. That is how to set it. Then when you now go back to your chart, you now rotate it. I already told everybody that you always use auto rotate. When you rotate your chart, you will see these candlesticks. You see that this one is the candlesticks that I show you people. You see it from the note today. This is the candlesticks. Here is when it's going up. When it's going up, it's buying. Then it's going down. It has started going down. And when price is going up, suddenly starts going down, we call it reversal. Price has reversed. The price has reversed and is selling. So when it's going up, you buy. When it reverses and starts going down, you sell. So these are the two things we do in market. Then when you tap the screen of your phone, you will see this right side and the left side. The left side is what we call time frame. I've explained this one before in the first class. We have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month, monthly. Then by the right side, you see you see this icon. This icon is where you will get all your toolbox, your arrow, your horizontal, your box, rectangular box, your trend line. This slant side is called trend line, your Fibonacci. Then when you click on this cross, you will see the names of all of them. When you click on the loss, let me do it again. You see, by the right hand, you tap your screen. By the right hand, when it's on auto rotate, you see this icon that has like three box, something like 3 box. This one, let me point this arrow there. Okay, you see it, this one that the arrow is pointing towards is like it has three rectangle, triangle and circle. Then when you tap it, it will bring you to your toolbox. Then when you click on the cross, you will see all this. And when you see it, all of them has names, and we have it. This one is trend line. When you tap on it, you see the trend line. It moves. It you can then you can compress your chart. Then when you tap on the trend line or the arrow, anyone you pick, when you tap on it, the dot, it will stop moving. Then when the dot is on it, it will move anywhere you want it to move to. Then when you tap on it, it will stop moving. Then anytime you tap on it and there's dot on it, it can move anywhere. This trend line is what we use to see if market is going up or down. This is what we use. This trend line is what we use to know if market is going up or down. So that is how to use the trend line. So we have another one, like we have this rectangle. When you put it rectangle, if you want to move it, you can move it around the chart. Then can move it. We use it to identify the highs and the lows of our charts. This is the rectangular box. So we have when you tap on it, it will stop moving. When the dot is there, it will be moving. And when you tap on it, the box will go up, including the arrow. Use the arrow. You can use the arrow to explain something to somebody. So if you watch the chart, the market is always going high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So we'll still get to this part. So these are the tools that we use. We use horizontal too. When you place it, when the dot is there, it moves. We use it to check to get the high and the low too. So this is, by the way, this one is the cursor. Use it to move around. The cross is the cursor. We use it to move around the charts. You also have, and then you can use it. This is the only way you can use to get the number. Maybe you want to place your stop loss or your take profit. This is the cursor you will use. It moves, and when you click on the head by this type, it will go off. So then this thing that we learned today, by the right side, you will see something like this cross. If you tap on it, the next one, you will see that the chart will change to a bar chart. This is what we call the bar chart. See, the bar chart is on this thing. See the bar chart. Then when you tap on the screen again, the next one is a candlestick icon. You see that now you are seeing it on candlestick. The last part is line chart. See that the market is on line chart platform. See that it's on line chart form. As a beginner, we will be using more of the line chart for you people to get how to use the trend line to determine if the market is up. When your trend line is showing up, it means that the market as a whole is in an uptrend. And when your trend line is showing low, depending on how you meet the market, it means that the market is in downtrend. And if you can see from this line chart, you will see it clearly that market moves not in a straight line but in a zigzag form. It will move down, move up again, move down, move up, move down, move up, move down, move up, move down. What we call this is, its price will first of all form a low, form a lower high, form another low, form a lower high, form another one. So that is how it is formed. I mean, a lower high, another high, another high. So this place is a lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, another lower high, higher high. Then when it's going down, it's forming lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. I will explain this if we start in the next class. I will explain this more. I will explain it, elaborate on this line chart very well, because it's only this line chart that you will not get confused. Then always we trade with candlesticks, and each candlesticks have a name. Each of these candlesticks have a name, but we'll not too much waste time. We'll just pick few of the names that are important and learn about them. When we start learning about these candlesticks, each of them has function, each of them has name. Then this tail, something like this tail, is what you saw I call wick wick of the candlesticks. Then the green color and the red color is what we call the body of the candlestick. Then this place is the wick. We have high and low. Each candlestick is high and low, high and low, high and low. So these are the things that matters. These are the things that will give you the money you're looking for in forex. It's not a financial advice though, but for now, these are the only thing that you can use while trade. So what else have I not said? Nothing much again. So when you want to go out there, when you place your phone on portrait like this, when you tap, you still see the same thing. M1, M5, M15, M30, these are the time frames. These are the time frames. That this three dotted something that looks like this icon that has three something is where you see your two balls, the same thing, or two balls. So and when you tap it again, same thing, you see the cursor, you tap up, and this one is not really necessary. The F is not really necessary in our teaching for now. So this video is just a summary of what I just wrote. That's the summary of the theory I dropped in the class now. So maybe you just watch it. If there's any question you ask, candlesticks, if it's moving up, we'll buy. If it's moving down, we'll sell. Thank you. Bye.